my God. The witness. Dubai Life, why your live streaming is always silent? How can I listening your live? Oo, ano, chismosa lang. Kailangan din niya ma-play. Sabihan ko siya, pumunta siya sa live mo. I'm from India, but I look like Asian. India is Asian too. Madeline Sart, upload mo na, dali. Kontrabida sa buhay ko itong si Dubai. The Witness, thank you so much, my friend, for having a good chat to us. Tapos na, oy, ha. Na-upload na, agoy. Sige. Tignan ko. Mother. Anong sabi? Huwag mo sabihin ako si chismosa. Panoorin. Oo, sige. Andito na nga ako, oh. Ito yung mga pamangkin ko na maaari. Ah, okay, okay. Oh, may ads. Sige, sige, bungangera. There is a part of India where people look like Chinese or Philippines. We are similar culture and tradition. To Igor. Oh, yes. One of my friend, Indian, he is talking about this culture. Yeah, I know this. Salamat din, Madi. Ayan. Iniwan mo ako sa live mo. Kaninang umaga, naiwan mo ako. Nagbalik. Thank you so much, my friend. Yes. It be called, what's that? Because he always talking about it, and I'm just listening what he is saying. So that's why I know some. Okay, where na you? Oh, thank you. Yeah, di ba nagko-comment pa ako doon kanina. Dubai Life, of course. She is beautiful. What do you see in? Oh. He always arguing, not I saying that I'm not beautiful. Brother Elias, he is saying that if somebody saying that I'm beautiful, is something wrong with the eyes. Fatuma, thank you so much, Sister Fatuma. Naka-ads ka pa rin, Madi, oh. Ads. And Pinay OFW is still playing. Lance Rafael, just finish play your video. This why na Philippines like made in China product that expire. OMG, you're so harsh, Dubai. Okay, playing here. Ay, atay, kailangan ko sige, i-play ko ulit siya mamaya, yung maririnig ko yung boses, yung sinasabi mo. Dubai depend on Asian tourism for survivor. Yes. The Witness, stop lying. He is not lying, Dubai. He is telling the truth. Just accept it that I'm beautiful. My dear Kaan, hello, hello. See, even Kaan said beautiful. How are you, my dear Kaan? Hello, Dubai. He is keep telling that I'm not beautiful, my dear Kaan. Can you tell? You enlighten Dubai minds so he can think 100%, 100 times. Imagine how many Indian people build Dubai. Dubai needs glasses. See? Dubai.